The Environment Agency have been responsible for managing flood risk from rivers, sea, estuaries and reservoirs for the last 25 years. Recent flooding has demonstrated the vulnerability of communities and critical infrastructure to recent flood events in a changing climate, significant disruption to people's lives and economic damage as well as a consequence. Much of the nation's flood infrastructure was designed and built in the aftermath of 20th century floods and for 20th century storms. When these defences were built, overtopping resilience and reliability were not part of the considerations as they would be for today. Over the years, many of these assets have been replaced as part of the capital programme, although a number of assets as part of these were pushed into future years, meaning we have older assets sat next to newer ones as well, with the community being protected by both. One of the key ambitions of the Environment Agency's asset management strategy is that the assets are safe, resilient and reliable. The Environment Agency's assets need to be able to cope with extreme weather patterns as well, both flood risk and prolonged dry weather.
Arup has been working with the Environment Agency on a digital approach to help extend the lifespan of flood assets. We've used existing data and research to create a digital model which predicts the expected lifespan of flood assets under different scenarios, along with the associated whole life costs. This has helped us to create long-term, forward-looking asset management plans.
In the aftermath of Storm Babette and Storm Henk, this is really important to ensure that the Environment Agency take a strategic, systems-based approach to recovery of the assets and the communities.